Hi everyone, I'm Matt from the Critter and the Butterfly YouTube channel. I'm the Critter part of the duo. Today we thought we'd shoot another one of our How We Did It videos. This one is how we did the new curtains in our Trailmanor travel trailer. This way would probably work in a lot of other RVs, but the Trailmanor is a folding trailer, so there are special considerations when you put the curtains up. So kick back, relax, and check out how we did it. The Trailmanor travel trailer is a very unique design refined over the years since its introduction in 1983. It's an amazing, transforming, hard-sided folding trailer that's available in several sizes with all the comforts of home. Here's a look at how it does its magic. When we bought our Trailmanor, it was all ready to go camping, but we came up with a number of things we wanted to do to it to make it our own. One of the first things we did was to change the curtains. We knew we didn't want to keep the sliding track system that was used in many folding or pop-up trailers. We didn't want to have to take the curtains down when we closed up the trailer, and we wanted to change them to something much cuter than the factory ones. We also wanted heavier curtains to keep out more light. After some internet searching and napkin back brainstorming, we landed on a design we were happy with and started making a materials list. First, it was time to measure for the curtains. They would extend about 4 inches from the valances. The rod positions were going to be pretty close to the stock slides. We wanted some fullness, so that was added into the measurements as well. Rini, the butterfly, picked up the material at a local fabric shop. It was love at first sight. It was upholstery fabric, heavy and robust. Next it was my turn. I acquired some aluminum bars in 3/4 by 1/8 inch and 1 inch by 1/4 inch, some 3/4 inch OD flat sink washers, a box of number 8 1-inch sheet metal screws, and a box of 3/8 inch stainless steel staples. It was time now to make the curtains and rods. All 4 edges of the curtains were hemmed, and pipe pockets were sewn into the top and bottom to accommodate the aluminum rods. The end curtains only have a pipe pocket on the top. We changed out the valance accents and made tiebacks with some of the curtain material. The valance panels were easy to take apart, but removing the old fabric and staples wasn't much fun. Next, it was time to make the curtain rods. We originally thought we would need a screw and spacers in the center of the curtain rods, but that turned out not to be the case. The rods are around 3 inches wider than the valances. We found that 3 washers behind the top rod and 2 behind the bottom rod worked pretty well. The screws were put through the curtains a few inches from the end, so the ends of the curtains would stay where we wanted them to and wouldn't move when the curtains were opened and closed. Plus, that hid the ends of the curtain rods. Now we'll put one together. Alright, all that's left to do is hang it. This is the fun part. curtains. And where the holes are. Push screws through the holes, which are right about there, I think. Should do it. There we are. Okay, one. Oh, there's the other one. Hell. It's easier when you put them up already. That's right about there. Oops, no, it's not. There's one. And they're not all the way at the end. Curtains are attached through the screws, so they don't go anywhere. Open them or close them, they stay on the edges where they belong. Alrighty, we'll grab 3 of these guys at the top. Put them on. Grab our screwdriver. I'm going to be right in front of where you guys are watching. But I gotta be able to see what they're going on. There we are. That's where you go. And a little bit. Just a little bit. Alrighty. I'll grab 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. 3 more because it's the height of the valance. Might have been able to go a little further out, but I was scared. Didn't want them to get hung up. These guys will go in. Those they made tight. That. Then we put these little guys in. Bottom. Get 2. That's how far away the window is. Go in there. Oh, come on. Go like a regular guy. And let's see. Make sure we put them in the right holes. And alright, 2 on this one. That is the hole we wanted right there. In we go. Okay, not quite tight yet. Yeah. Tight. Tight. There we go. Curtains. And our tie backs come around with Velcro. Oh, well, usually. Once they get on the Velcro. There we go. Tie back. There we are, 1 set of curtains. Ta-da! And close them, just lay these down, slide them in, and there you go. It's curtains, I tell you, curtains. For the front window, we had to remove the valance frame to install the curtains. Neither of the end windows have a bottom pipe pocket or rod because they are emergency exits. For the large window, we used the 1" by 1/4" aluminum because of the extra length. We still used the number 8 1" screws and put the 3 washers on the top and 2 washers on the bottom to space out the rods. 10 sets of curtains later, a much cuter trailer. A track had been installed for a privacy curtain, so we bought some curtain carriers and sewed them to an 11th curtain to finish the project. We've done many other upgrades and mods to our Trailmanor. Check out our Trailmanor Upgrades and Accessories YouTube playlist for what we've done so far. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. We appreciate you stopping by. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up down there on the bottom, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload something new. Thanks again for stopping by, and safe travels.